So we're speaking to Mariva from Acronis. So thank you, Mariva, for speaking to Arabian Reseller and Security Review.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. We would like to start with a brief about your participation at GITEX this year. What sort of solutions you're showcasing to the audience?
As every year, we're here to educate about cyber protection, how data protection or cyber security alone are not enough. This year, we're highlighting Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, the only solution under one platform, one single umbrella that offers, data protection, cyber security together. But on top of this, we came with a surprise. We didn't come alone. Our sports partner, Airspeeder, the first flying racing car, has come with us as well, and their car is exhibited here.
Okay, so it's the second day of GITEX. What sort of engagement have you had with customers and channel partners? What sort of feedback have you received as well?
Busy, I guess busy is good. We're happy when we have busy. A lot of business meetings, a lot of conversations, with the officials, with media. We're definitely extremely pleased to be present. And also it's interesting from just an industry perspective to see what's going on. A lot of focus again on artificial intelligence, robotics this year, and of course cybersecurity.
There's a lot of buzz around Industry 4.0 and automation being one of the major focus areas for cybersecurity and cyber protection, like Acronis, for example. Have you seen any major demand from these areas? Have you seen any visitors from this kind of need basis?
So the thing with Acronis is what we offer is slightly different from everyone else. We are the only solution that really covers all aspects of the spectrum when it comes to protecting data. We protect all solution, all system, all applications. So we offer different solutions. We highlighting one, as I mentioned before, but definitely it's not only about just one specific thing. So usually when people come to us, it's mostly partners around driving, business, growing revenue and protecting their customer. We also obviously do direct end users solutions. So it really depends. There wasn't very one specific.
Okay. So in terms of the outlook for the security industry going forward, because we've seen a lot of changes over the past couple of years, what sort of key focus areas does Acronis have? Both in terms of solutions and markets.
So I think in general, the industry is definitely focusing on tackling one of the massive trends is around ransomware attack. Phishing and scam is still a big thing as well. For us, Acronis, we have included and integrating in that tool that I mentioned, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, anti-malware, antivirus, anti-ransomware. We offer it all under that one tool. So this is really something we want people to understand. It's important to be covered from all sides.
Okay. In terms of the company's overall strategies, are you looking at new channel partners to tie up with from other markets? Because obviously new markets have opened up, travel is eased now. There are not many restrictions. So, is that something on your mind?
So, from a business perspective, definitely we're very channel centric. So, distributors, reseller, we have a high interest around that. And then from a geographical standpoint, most of the team is based here in the UAE when it comes to the Middle Eastern team. But we definitely want to further penetrate other markets, such as Saudi Arabia is a really high interest for us, or other region, the country, is in the GCC.
Okay. And moving forward, what sort of pain points do you see companies are facing these days? You mentioned ransomware is one of the things. Phishing is again one of the things. Do you see that endpoint is still a problem for cyber protection?
Yeah, absolutely. Endpoint, virtual machines. We have to look at it from a business and personal perspective. In both cases, people still need to be educated about cyber protection. There's been an improvement, and COVID accelerated that when we had to shift to fully remote. But for instance, when it comes to cyber threats, one of the main reasons is human. So it's also, about continuing to train people and so on. But we have different solutions for business or for individual, and we conducted a survey where 25% of the people in the US, still despite the effort from the government or the industry, still don't know about cybersecurity or do not utilize a solution. That's worrying.
That's worrying. Thank you, Mariva, for speaking to Arabian Reseller and Security Review. Nice speaking to you, and we look forward to speaking to you again in the future.
Thank you for having me.